So I got these masks and they look so cool. This one got destroyed. This one is for brightening. And this one that I opened, these two are the same. I'm giving this to Nini. I'm keeping one for myself. I'm gonna give this to my mom. It's anti-aging. So inside, there's 12 of them, and they're Korean. I love Korean masks. It's pretty nice. They come in a case like this. So I think retail they're $7 each. So 7 times. This is pretty expensive if you buy one. But I got it from Costco, so it was a good deal. It was 25 bucks, I think. I'm visiting my coworker family, and being Asian, you know, we always bring something. I got lime green because Sabrina said her mom likes lime green, so that's what I picked. Hello.
This isn't for you, baby.
Oh, hi. Sabrina. Hello, so pretty. She's gonna teach us how to play Mahjong. This is awesome. Who usually shuffle them?
Yeah. Oh, how?
Who?
Oh,
One person?
Everybody does.
Everybody does?
Yeah, so like everybody. You'll
So
see.
4 people?
Yep.
Sabrina is making cheese bread. Look at her. It's like a princess making cheese bread. Oh, is that the recipe?
Right over there.
Ooh. Here's the recipe. Is that oil?
Yes. A third of a cup.
They got these stuff ready, so cute. Ooh.
We're gonna have Sabrina's from the company.
Making no sound.
20 to 25 minutes until it turns golden brown.
What's the temperature?
400 degrees.
Or with
She said cream cheese.
With the fig.
Fig. Oh.
this is cream cheese.
And then put this in it.
Yeah. Can I make you one? You know, you're not making generous enough. This is really,
Yeah, put
but this is also my favorite cracker because it's from Brazil.
Ooh.
Yeah. So this one is this, okay?
Okay.
I'll put it right here.
Cranberry.
Yeah. And then what you do afterwards, you try the one with the cranberry pepper. I'm not gonna put too much. I don't want to overwhelm
Okay.
because it's very strong. And then you make the same thing with that.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, normally,
This is so good.
T-Mobile and AT&T are terrible out here, unfortunately.
what do you?
Sprint.
Yeah.
But even then.
Cranberry pepper jelly. This is cream cheese. I've never seen it in that form. I like this one the most. This one is the fig spread. Brazilian cheese spread. Thank you.
Normally when you go to
It's so good. I think she said put the guava.
Oh yeah, you can put the guava with this. This is a much stronger.
So this is guava thing. Is that too much? Is it enough?
And whatever you can take.
Oh, smart.
like this,
Okay.
but it's something that
This is
you
called
can do.
Romeo and Juliet.
Yeah. And
Oh, that's
even
too
if you
much.
can just, if you make it bigger, you make it.
Kenny! You're so cute!
Thank you.
Is it like kind of like mojito?
Mojito without the mint.
Oh!
With the sugarcane rum.
Ooh!
Yeah.
So one lime for the drink.
Yeah, and then like sugar's up to your taste, but at least 1 tablespoon or teaspoon just to have the sugar rub against the zest, so it releases the oils of the lime.
Okay.
And then
Used to drive.
exfoliates the lime.
Ooh.
Oh no. Oh.
There's no shot.
Oh my god.
This one is Sugar Cane Rum.
I want to say
That means we have to finish that. We have to finish the bottle.
Oh my god, that's a lot.
You ready, Becky?
Oh, you to get the first one.
The view.
she did an internship for one of those states.
So quiet around here. I love it.
Becky.
Oh, thank you.
Intern for the state.
So sweet. Thank you.
Cheers, Becky. Where's your drink? I'm getting that one.
You're really popular.
Cheers.
He finished already.
Oh my god.
Halfway through.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Cheers.
With the blood work, you know, I also have prostate cancer.
How do you say cheers in Portuguese?
You're so cute.
You're cute. Hi.
You are so pretty. Hi.
She's the nicest. She's never bitten me.
What's the name? What's the name?
Her name is Strawberry.
Look at Kenny.
Look at that Britney moment.
Pretty bitch.
Scary.
Kenny, you're so brave.
I know.
It's my scarf.
Was talking all about snakes and all that, so I stood there.
So brave. I'm sorry.
I know she's.
And a dog.
I still can't get used to it. She has like
Oh, I need to give a concept warning on your snake.
Eat. What you want me to feed them? A carrot?
yeah.
Eat it or
Eat the snake.
anything.
It could have
Yeah.
ate the snake.
The
I mean,
snake
the
could have
snake
eaten
could've
the
ate
cat. Yeah. Because it's a huge snake.
Yeah.
And the cat was just like, had the snake cornered and it was just like.
I'm okay.
She
It's been
was
2
like,
years. I'm still can't get used to it.
You just seen some of those Facebook videos or whatever of the cats messing with
Alligators.
alligators
Oh my
or
God.
snakes or whatever, and they come out ahead, or at least they scare them off. You know,
Look
so.
at you.
She feels. She.
Hi, baby.
Beautiful. That's a girl, right?
Oh no, I can't.
I
stand
know.
it.
She was mad. Yeah.
Wow.
She's a
I'm
beauty.
like, that take the, you know.
Oh my god, it feels. It feels so cool.
But yeah, so whenever I handle the snake, she'll start crying.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she's just such drama. Like my parents are like, every single time I leave to go to work,
She cries.
yeah, she starts
Yeah.
crying, or like she'll go to another room, and if I didn't follow her, she'll start crying. And then like my parents will message me, and they'll be like, "Oh, Kilo's crying again."
This is like the
So-
best.
So 16 and 13.
Caneberry. Thank you, Auntie.
Okay.
Ooh.
So
That's black bean, right?
Black beans. Okay, you start with rice.
Okay, so
And then you get the black bean. And then you get this. Okay, 3 kinds of meat. 4.
Okay.
One is pig's feet, bacon, shank, Portuguese sausage,
Wow.
collard greens,
Ooh.
farofa. It's a yuca flour. And this orange. You have to eat it together because it's so heavy that this breaks it.
Okay.
Okay.
Tabasco.
Oh my gosh. This looks
Ooh.
amazing.
Thank you, Auntie. Pork feet. Is it feet? And then sausage, shank, orange, cassava, collard green, black beans, and rice. Ooh, that looks so amazing. Ooh, and you're so pretty. This is so good.
Alright, dá pra posso tirar isso aqui? Por favor. Já tirou das meninas aí? Because in Brazil, everybody, even though people in Brazil is very...
What is this called?
Ginjin.
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 Ginjin. I'm sharing with Danielle because I'm full.
I know. That's what we're battling right now. It's just being super full.
Oh my god, this is good.